Wow. That's all I have to say is wow. Hey, welcome back you guys to Saving Mamasital, the home of Rate That Box. We do a lot of unboxings here. We do a lot of lifestyle type videos, all kinds of unboxings from
boxes, home decor boxes, beauty boxes, fitness boxes, you name it, we unbox it right here at Saving Mamasital.
I welcome you to my channel for those of you who are brand new. Yay! So glad you can join me today. We have a home decor subscription box. And oh my goodness, I am a huge fan of home decor, especially these types of boxes, because you're going to get some things that you can use to decorate your home, your office, anywhere that you see fit. This is a brand new box. It's called Elhyme. You guys ready? What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and unbox the box, and then we will go ahead and give them their very first rating from Saving Mamasital. Let's do it. All right, so if you guys are interested in just trying out the box and you don't want to commit to an annual subscription, you can in fact purchase it one time for $95. And I know it seems like a lot, but you guys are going to be getting some super amazing things in here for your home. This is a home decor subscription box, and let's take a look inside. I've got little Prince here. He's checking things out. Oh, for fun. I love that tissue paper, and it says thank you. Let's go ahead and open it up and see. Ooh, look at that. Prince, what do you think? All right, let's take a little look here. Thank you for your purchase. In our effort to be sustainable, our monthly booklet is located at elhymeinspiration.com/monthly booklet. Or you can scan the QR code, open up the camera app, point your camera on the code, and launch the code. There it is. We pulled up the booklet. This is the winter box. So looking inside the box, let's take a look. Look at all those things wrapped up individually and nicely. Yes, look at all of that. This is something breakable. Ooh, look at this. This is a Stoneware platter. There are two styles. Two of them are included, and the retail value on this is $30. This is so gorgeous. Use these midnight blue platters for bread, a cheese platter, or other delicacies such as chocolates or macaroons. Perfect for entertaining. I love that. And this is like a bluish, it's just black or blue? It has black and blue, actually. I know you can't really see it that great. There, look at that. See that? Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty, you guys. I love that. Next, we have ooh, these are cute. Look at these. Oh my goodness. These are like little burlap stars, and they say, be jolly, be merry, and be bright. Those are so cute. A charming rustic touch for the holidays. A set of 3 cotton and burlap star ornaments with a hand-lettered sediment. These are 5 by 5 inches. Hang them on a tree, place them on a tiered tray, or add to garland and decorate a mantle. These are adorable. And yes, you can definitely use them as ornaments, but I was thinking of, using them on my mantle. That would be super, super adorable. Next we have, take a look. Ooh, look at this one. Wow. This is like a beaded garland. This wood bead loop garland is handmade and perfect as an accent piece. Hang it over the neck of a vase or around a candle holder. The beads and jute tassel add great texture to any display. And that's exactly what I was thinking of doing, is putting it around a candle. That would look so, so adorable. And that has a value of $24 on that one. Digging a little bit further in, here we go. Oh my goodness. We got 2 more things left. This one is, no, we got 3 more things left. This is a bigger one. Oh, wow. This is interesting. Oh my goodness. Ah! Okay. If you guys didn't know, now you know, I am a lantern fanatic. Like, I love lanterns. I collect lanterns, actually. As you can see, I have one right here on my nightstand even. I have them throughout the house. I just love lanterns. I love this rustic look. Beautiful wood lantern with glass votive featuring a rustic look and a beaded handle. Retail value is $52. For measurement's sake, this is 19 inches high and 10 inches wide. You can see here where you place the votive, but isn't that so cute? This is like totally perfect for my home decor. Like, I love the rustic look. I love lanterns. I love this so much. Wow. I am just like in heaven right now. This is amazing. Okay, so opening up the votive, you're gonna stick your little candle in there and then cover it up with that beautiful, beautiful votive. Oh my gosh. So we got this one wrapped up here. Let's open this up. Oh, for cute. Super cute. This is a Christmas tree. Oh my gosh. Okay, opening it up. Here we go. Look at this. Okay, this is from Orange Blossom Home, it's called. They have a little card with it. Adorable. They have this little stand for it, and you can see it's kind of like a blue tree, and it just has this here to put inside. So this is the wood Christmas tree with snowflakes. Retail value is $20. This enchanting solid birch wood stands at 9 inches. Beautiful on a mantle or a foyer table surrounded with greenery. This is sourced from American Artisan, and there's also a card on here with a discount code included if you want to go and buy more from them.
A few moments later.
The final item is in this little baggie here. Let's open it up. Take a look. Oh, okay. Okay. We've got little spreaders, it looks like. There's 1 and there's 2. Okay, and these are handcrafted with love from the company Classy R Us. They have things in here from small business owners. I love that. I love supporting small businesses, and you know you are going to get a unique item a lot of the times, handcrafted, made with love, those kinds of things. Love that. So this spreader's set of 2. Retail value is $14. It's stainless steel and it has a copper finish. Look at that. So pretty. So, so pretty. So this canap knives are made of extremely durable copper with a glossy finish. Great for cheese or butter. Secured in a reusable linen bag. So let's go ahead and do a quick review, you guys, and then we will go ahead and give them their very first rating. In this quarterly winter 2021 Elhyme home decor subscription box, we got the following items. We got the spreaders, the beaded garland with a tassel, the 3 burlap ornaments, we got the adorable platter, the Christmas tree, and finally we got the lantern and votive. So all of those items, you guys, total price of the box is $95. We are about to rate that box. guys ready? Let's go ahead and rate that box. Rate that box. Rate that box. When we rate that box, we rate based on a few different factors. First of all, we rate on a scale based of 1 to 10. 1 being, don't go there. And 10 being, yes, queen, you need to buy this box. Okay, so when we rate the box, we rate based on a few different factors. We rate based on the presentation of the box, which includes the packaging, the descriptions of the items, the values of the items, the value of the overall box compared to the price of the box, and we also rate based on the variety of the items. So all of those factors contribute to the overall rating. So I'm gonna go ahead and give my rating. You guys put your thinking hats on. What are you gonna rate this box? Let me know down in the comment section down below. You know what time it is. You hit that drum roll, please. Elhyme, you get a rating of a 9.